Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also appreciate it if you guys can hit that thumbs up and hit that bell. So let's crack this open right here. As you probably saw from my previous video, I did unbox the black AirPods from this company right here, Blvcknoir. Again, as I mentioned before, their customer service is terrible, but the product does work. But since I was waiting for this for over a month, out of curiosity, I decided to order this from Aliexpress to see if it's pretty much the same thing, other than the packaging, basically at a lower cost. So let's crack this open right here. So as you can see, the box itself is almost the same thing, other than no labeling. So let's crack this open right here. As you can see, it is just a plain box with like the iPod, the black iPod, like glossy finish right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It also has the same pull-out box, the same as Blvcknoir right there. So to me, it's exactly the same thing, to be honest. The feel of it is the same thing. It has the same, this is probably the cable right here. Yep, same cable right there. And as you can see, they have pretty much the same, like, check right there, manual. But again, their manual is not as fancy as Blvcknoir packaging. Let's see here, and as far as the actual AirPod, as you can see, it looks identical. Feel of it is identical. So I think Blvcknoir is just repackaging it, and charging more for it, because to me this thing is exactly the same thing. Same packaging pretty much, other than this one doesn't have the Blvcknoir, the logo right there, and it doesn't have the black on the side. So again, Blvcknoir, I think they're scamming people for charging more, to be honest. So don't order for them, as I mentioned before, because you can get this pretty much on Aliexpress, and to me it's the same thing. So any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.